Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Tayo ay pupunta ng Motorrad Performance because our front fork has been leaking for some time. Thank you, Sir Benz. So, baka may magtanong sa inyo bakit ko tinutulak palabas. It's for obvious reasons, guys. Naka full exhaust tayo. Hindi siya pwede sa compound dahil maingay. Let's do a cold start. There you go. Cold starting with the Akrapovic exhaust never disappoints me. It always sounds so good. Set lang natin yung Google Maps. Okay. Alright. It's been a while since I've done a video. So, yeah, welcome back. Alright, so just to give you guys a brief history. Nag-leak yung front forks ko. Actually sa right side lang. But I brought it to Caloocan initially para mapapalitan yung seals, no? So I thought it was just a simple resealing. But sorry guys, hindi ko kayo mapagbibigyan sa bomba. Kaka-start lang ng engine. Anyway, so I get that a lot. Having this open or rather full exhaust Akrapovic. A lot of people are asking me to do bomba. Anyway, saan na ba ako? Dinala ko siya sa Caloocan to have the seals replaced. So I thought okay na. But then after a few rides, ayun, nag-leak na naman siya. So sabi ko, what could be the problem? Kaya ang inisip ko initially, baka hindi maganda yung pagkakagawa because nag-leak ka agad. Because there are a lot of factors actually kung bakit magli-leak. It's either busted yung seals, hindi maganda yung pagkakalapat ng seals pagbalik. So marami siyang factors. But yeah, so then I brought it to another motorcycle shop in Banawe. Tapos ni-reseal siya ulit. And then after that, I thought okay na. So sabi ko, mukhang okay na yata to. Kasi mas maayos yung shop, mas maganda aesthetically. So yun. After that, a few rides, ayun, nag-leak na naman siya, guys. But yeah, dun pala sa shop na pinagdalaan ko sa Banawe, which we're going to right now. Mamaya makikita nyo kung anong shop yon. They found scratches on the inner tube. So sabi ko, okay, so may damage pala yung ano nito, yung inner tube. And then sabi nila they're gonna try to do some fix. So yung mga scratches or rather yung nicks, may mga tuldok kasi na parang tinamaan ng bato. Sabi nila lalagyan nila ng sealant or parang cover to flatten the surface. Kasi apparently, yun yung nakaka-scratch sa seals natin, no? Kaya siya nagli-leak ulit after a resealing process. So yun. So ginawa nila, they tried to cover it up, but I think the fix did not last long kasi nasugatan ulit yung mga seals natin after a few rides. So ayun, I told them what happened, and then they recommended na talagang palitan na daw yung yung front forks, or rather yung inner tube, rather yung silver. So I'll just put up some pictures para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura ng sinasabi ko. But yeah, anyway guys, it feels so good to be back doing videos again. Medyo matagal tayong nawala. I guess, sorry kuya, hindi ako makakabomba. Matagal tayong nawala. I think the last video I uploaded was, if I'm not mistaken, baka last year pa yata. So ayun, wala lang, I'm just yapping here because syempre bago yung mic. It's been a while since I've made a video. I just wanna see kung ano ang kalalabasan. I haven't even checked my camera kung yung angle okay ba. May nakikita ba kayo guys? O baka phone ko lang yung nakikita nyo, or I don't know, sahig maybe. But yeah. So agenda today, we go to Motorrad to have the inner forks right side installed, and then after that have the silencer installed, and then let's see if makapag-ride tayo, matesting natin after for a long ride. My dad is gonna follow. Ayun, so samahan niya tayo doon sa Motorrad. So yeah, the shop is Motorrad in Banawe, by the way, for those asking. May pa-suspense pa, no? Sinabi ko rin naman. Sorry guys kung medyo magulo, first try lang ulit natin mag-vlog. So if wala pang structure yung video, kung ano-anong sinasabi ko dito, pasensyahan nyo na. But yeah, you'll be seeing more of me in the next few. We'll try to upload more videos, most especially about our bike. So medyo may moto vlogging na rin tayo ngayon. We're here, Motorrad Performance. All right. Okay. Yun lang. Sadly. Why? Malas guys. Wala yung gumagawa sa Motorrad. Sad. So right now, punta na lang tayo ng EV Moto Manila branch. They're also one of reputable motorcycle shops pagdating naman sa shock absorbers or suspensions. Kaya lang naman tayo bumalik kay Motorrad guys, kasi sila yung last touch dito sa or Motorrad kasi yung last touch dito sa suspension natin. Sila nagpalit ng seals. Alright. We're almost here. It says 1 minute to go. It's located here along Blumentritt Avenue. There you go. Okay. All right. Ito daw. I just hope. Okay. Palang big yung force. Meron pala silang nilalagay na grasa that makes it look like it's easy, pero wala pala. I'm now with my dad driving his Triumph. Ayan. Dito tayo pala. Okay, now we're heading to Kabyang Tunnel.